titties are sweating because we're going to work on Ruben's new car. So I'm starting this vlog later on, after I got off work, after we bought the new car. But Ruben bought a new car. We're bringing it into the family. Well, we're not bringing it into the family. It's already in the family. We're keeping it in the family. It's a piece right now. It needs some love. But so hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog or enjoy the vlog. But you guys should also go follow me on Instagram right here. And yeah. We're looking for these pants. And my titties are sweating. Okay. You guys have always been telling me to vlog. And it's not that I don't like vlogging, don't get me wrong. I'm not even gonna let the car warm up. It's not that I don't like vlogging, it's not that, don't get me wrong. One, I broke my lens, so I don't really have a lens to vlog with. Two, my life's not that interesting, so sometimes I feel like it'd be a pretty boring vlog. But Josue's been telling me, he's like, you need to vlog, you need to vlog. So you know what? Here is more content. More content. So you know what? I just woke up, it's 11:53. I work at 2 o'clock, I get off at 8 o'clock. But Ruben and Nestor are at Josue's house and we're working on the speed. So I'm gonna make content today and we're gonna go work on the speed today. So you know what? It's a whole ass GoPro vlog, so deal with it. All right, let's blow my motor up at 12 in the afternoon. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It is 12:02 in the afternoon. Let's blow my motor up. Yeah! Blow it up! Oh! Wow. I think it'll buff out. I think we could just bend that back. It's like a beer can.
Yeah. Did you order the pen?
So we got a whole speed. It's got we need a new power steering pump. We're gonna move this intercooler to the front, and you know, we're just gonna blow it up. We got a whole new door. And yeah, so I think Ruben's buying this. We got a trunk that doesn't close actually because there's no latch on it. But yo, we got a whole 4-seater. It's clean. It's even got heated seats. Yo, Josue, tell me about this whip.
Can't say too much right now because the previous owner's here.
Oh, Nestor, what are you doing back here, baby boy?
I'm trying to put that shit back on.
Do you know what you're doing?
I took the whole door panel off, so yeah, pretty much.
Okay, you're a mechanic today?
Yeah. It's SDR.
Yo, dude, that's just a cute shirt. Where'd you get that from, bro?
SDR.
Yeah, where's the barbecue sauce at? I came here to rub that shit on my titties.
Excuse me? What is wrong with you? Like,
Oh, all right. So, what do we got going on today?
we got sandwich detailing, you know, soggy hot dog egg sandwich detailing going on. We're gonna clean this bitch out. We're gonna put a new fender on. We're gonna put a new bumper on it. We're gonna put a new tire on it, and we're gonna blow it up tonight.
Tonight. Can we talk about these side skirts though? Wow.
Good season was 3 or 4.
Yo, we got 3 whole jacks out here, and none of them fit under this low ass car. I mean, it probably doesn't help. Oh, probably doesn't help that's got a flat. Yo, I have an idea. Why don't we just roll the car forward onto wood blocks? Oh. All right, fuck me, I guess. Why don't we just roll it onto wood blocks?
Because that's too logical.
Wait, can you explain to me why we can't use wooden blocks?
Oh yeah, I was just being lazy. I get one of those airbag moments. All right, let me see. Hold on, before you continue, let me make sure.
What? That's as far.
Right?
What? What is that?
That is not a jack.
Oh.
Sir, that is.
Well, it doesn't go far enough.
Ah, okay.
Oh wait, you know what? Now that we got it up,
Yeah, now we can go grab the other one and actually get it to the jacking point.
3 hours later.
go ahead.
Right there?
Yeah, you're good. All right. Esther, why are you looking at it like it's a foreign object?
Is there a speed fender? Yeah.
It looks like it.
To the door, it looks slightly different.
Maybe it's just because it's the color. The door does look slightly
I
different.
think
I'll
that
give
might
you
be
that
a speed 3.
Are you sure about that?
Just another day at the chop shop. We have absolutely no thread on these wheels. We are gonna die. But can we talk about Josue's wagon? This man fit a whole ass door in here, a spare, 2 tires. Wait, was there another wheel in here too? Oh, I was about to say.
But there was a fender in the box up there. We put a fender.
And they had a fender in the passenger seat.
No.
Now who says? Oh, okay. Now who says wagons aren't functional? You can suck my ass. Oh, my God. You hear that? You hear that supercharger whine? So we were looking at this, and we don't know if this is actually gonna fit. So I'm just gonna mock this up myself. Yeah, it looks like it'll fit. Yo, can I hear this exhaust though? Wow. Sounds like a whole ass Prius. Let's see if it moves under its own weight. Hopefully we don't snap an axle.
100 gonna watch you.
Huh?
100 gonna watch you.
It moves under it. Oh, yo. Can we talk about that? Can we talk, sir? Sir, can we talk about that? Oh my God, is that a supercharger? Oh my God, that bitch is flat.
Oh shit.
Wow. Yo, is this OEM?
Yeah, it's weight reduction.
Damn. This is the key.
It's the key to my heart. You can have it. We're about to let in a purple and you touch the boost.
Are we about to break boost? That whole clean. Yo, break boost in the neighborhood.
Where am I going?
This part might be
Wow. Feels like a go-kart. Like, you know how it shakes in a go-kart? Is this a Prius Prime? Yo, just a good sticker you guys can buy one. Hit me up on Instagram if you want one. Damn. This whole clean. Damn. Wow, look at that. Look at that, a whole ass wagon. Wow. Damn, that bitch is moving on its own weight. Yo, look at Nestor. Damn, Nestor. I wish I could be like you. Yeah, we're really out here driving this bitch back with no plates. All right, so we got everyone. I'm leading the way. So hopefully we don't get pulled over. This nigga has half a fender hanging off the side of his car. So hopefully we don't get, oh, what's that? Wow. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. He needs a mean ass alignment, doesn't have brakes, but it's all good. So he bought the car, so we're gonna take it to his house. We're gonna work on it. We might work on his door. None of us are really good at wiring, so who knows what what'll happen with that, but I know the fender will get replaced at least. Clean it up a little bit, just check out, go over the car and whatnot, but yeah. Keep coming. Oh my God. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright. Alright, you're good. Yo, this is a big bitch. Yo, this is a big bitch. Oh, this thing is big. Alright, we should probably just move this out of the way. It's not like the wheels just come out. Alright, here we go. Ready for this? Watch me work. Oh, God.
There you go.
Or I just really stripped it.
What?
I said, or I just really stripped it.
We're not driving this to waste. It just doesn't have anything in it.
Right.
It's a long bolt.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It's yeah, you
Oh.
got, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
fuck.
yeah,
Oh, fuck.
yeah.
Oh, my God. Yo, what the fuck? This thing is horrible.
I told you. Hey, I mean, $10 at ours though, can't complain.
I'm gonna need some microfibers.
Everywhere.
Is it everywhere?
Probably. Dirty.
Hold on.
You nasty ass bitch. Damn.
Wait, so 6 quarts, right? Was the should be about half.
Yo, this bitch is moving under its own weight. Yo, we are gonna die. Did I put a seatbelt on? I need a seatbelt on. Wait till you get real tires.